Welcome back to my channel, everybody. Chris Gault here, Healthy Living with Chris Gault. And we're just hanging out by the beach right now. We got some ducks flopping around. This is a little creek that comes off of the ocean. And I'm going to show you what we have in store for this week. Week number 3 of our vlog of living it up healthy in Cali. Loving it at the beach. This is Oceanside in California, and believe it or not, it's like 83 degrees, and it's January 3rd, I believe. So fantastic day, and actually I think it's January 6th, and it's like 83 degrees out here. It's unbelievable. So we're enjoying this. Never gonna tire of these sunsets of living at the beach, I can tell you that. All right, so we're taking another nice stroll, taking a nice run. Here it is, January 7th or 8th, I don't know. And it's like 70 degrees out here in San Diego, so we're enjoying this nice run on the strand in Oceanside, California. Robin, what do you think?
Yeah, it's a beautiful day. It's perfect running weather.
Perfect running weather. That's what we get here. All right, well, we'll see you guys after the run. So I thought I'd just take a little bit of time to show you all my office. This is where I actually will edit video. Sometimes I'll film in here like I'm doing right now, but most of the time I don't film in here. I'll film in other areas, outside or inside. But this is my office where I will actually edit my videos and then load them up to, upload them up to YouTube. So I'm going to show you around a little bit. So this is where you're walking in the door. I do have a little bathroom here. So we actually use this also as a guest room. We haven't had any guests yet because we just moved here. But if we do have a guest, that couch will open up to a queen size bed, and I will push my desk back. This is my desk. I'm just going to move it over here. I got a nice little picture up there. That's my tripod and light, which I have on right now, just to show you guys. But that's what I use to hold the phone or the camera when I'm when I'm actually have it on, when I'm not walking around with it. I got this nice little plaque. I really like it because it's a nice healthy saying there. Get sleep, eat clean, drink water, exercise, breathe deeply, and repeat. And so I just kind of like that, so I picked it up and I have it on the wall. I still have some room to put some other stuff on the wall, but I haven't gotten there yet. This is where I charge up all my stuff. I got my drone there. I got my Health Mate Forever, which is a thing that works on your muscles, and a little file cabinet where I put my papers. Those are my travel bags, so I'll put my computer in there or my drone. That's my computer and my desk. And I have a scanner, a printer, a little plant, and so my laptop's right there. And got a million wires, which I have to work to get underneath, inside the desk, because there's a little area you funnel your wires, but I haven't gotten there yet since I just moved in here. And over here, I got a little dresser. So this is where if someone does come to visit and they stay in here, we have a little dresser for them. And then also have some books here. I have my cameras up here and my drone. You can see my drone. Some of my cameras that I use. And just a couple little things. And this little thing that, because we're right next to the beach. That's remote controlled my fan. So I can show you. I can turn on the fan with this little remote control device. And turn off the fan, or I just turn off the light, turn the light back on, turn off the fan, all with this little device. So basically, this is the office. So I also, well, actually in the office, I actually put up all my goals. I'm thinking of getting like a dream board, which is where you put your goals up, or you put pictures of what you're dreaming you want to be. So I might put like the number 10,000 up there because I want to get 10,000 subscribers, and I'm at like a little over 3,300 right now. But I'd like to get to 10,000 subscribers in 2020. So that would be something that I would put on the dream board. Also maybe 100,000 views. I would love to get there, and I'm almost there. I'm not almost there. I'm at like 45,000 views, and I'd like to get to 100,000 views. Definitely, and probably well before 2020 ends. So that's another goal. So I'll put something like that on the dream board, and so I'm gonna hang that up back there because, you know, I'll be able to see it all the time, and this is where I actually will plan my goals. This is where I actually do a spreadsheet. I'm going to show you my spreadsheet where I plan out my videos and how I keep track of what I've done, and how, you know, where I am in the process of the video, from just an idea to starting the work on it to having it all complete and ready to upload, and then having it actually upload and published. So I'm going to show you that right now. So this is my spreadsheet. You can see anything in green means that it's already been published. It's already been, you know, the video has been done and it's actually been uploaded and published in YouTube. So I have a lot of, you can see that. This is just when I started the channel. So I have more videos than this, but I didn't put my drone videos in here because this is really the healthy living videos. And then anything in yellow, you'll see some there. Those are the ones that I've completed. So it's all done, it's all edited, it's all completed, it's been compressed into a movie, you know, it's been put into a movie file, and it's just ready for upload, but it hasn't been uploaded yet. So those are the ones in yellow. The ones in orange right here, I only have like one now. That one's in process, so part of it has been done, but it still needs to be done. So you can see I actually have videos done weeks in advance. So I have, you know, if you look at the yellow, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 videos that are done, and one of those is going up every Thursday because that's the healthy living videos. And so you can see that then I don't have to stress, and it's a healthy thing not to stress, but I don't have to stress to say, oh my God, I have to get a video done and upload it because it's time to upload the video. I actually have, you know, 5, 6, 7 weeks. My goal is actually get about 10 weeks done ahead of time before I even load them, and that way I don't even have to worry about it. So that's what that is. And then the red ones are ideas that I have that I haven't made yet. Now some of these might change. Some of them are the ones that I might say, hey, you know what? Something has changed, so I might change it and I might move them around. I also like this video number 83 here. If I decide that I want that to go sooner because something has happened, maybe there's a trending topic or something, I'll move that up to the top of the list and I'll move the other ones around. So it also gives me the ability to move these things around. But my next step is then to take these and to actually get them to be yellow, which means that they're ready to upload. And also I keep adding new ideas. So right now I don't know if you can see that, but I have videos going through now, ideas of going through May 7th of 2020. And, you know, we're only in the beginning of January. I also have videos done and complete here. You can see at, you know, February 6th, they're done. So, and then this one is the vlog, which I'm actually currently filming right now. This is the one you're watching right now. This one can't be done because it's like a week long of things that I do here. So that's why it's in process and it's not complete yet. So, but that's the one I'm actually filming, you're watching right now. It's kind of funny in that sense. So anyway, that's what I do to keep track of what videos I have. I also, on the next tab, I have a nice little thing that shows how many minutes and seconds each of these videos are, my healthy living videos. And you can see I have almost 20 hours of healthy living videos in here, and I'm just I'll just add when I put up the next video, I'll pop in that time, and that way I keep track of how much time I have of the healthy living videos. So just want to say that's how I keep track of what I do with videos and how I can keep stress down, because I actually know exactly what I'm working on. So that's basically what I do. A lot of it is really just finding out what people want to see, and that's what I put up there. I also try to make sure that it's something that YouTube is saying is a good video to put up, and also one that's going to be found in search that people are searching for, and also is not too crowded. So that means basically I'm not looking for videos that everyone has done a video on, and I'm also looking for ones that people have searched for. So if they're searching for a video and there isn't many out there yet, then that's a good video to put out, and that's just going to show up in the search engines a lot better than if it's overcrowded, there's too many videos out there, or if it's a search that if it's something that nobody really cares about, then those aren't the best videos. So that's what I try to do, and I sit up here first and I try to plan all that out before I put out the videos, so that way I'm ahead of the game and I'm not going to have stress. So my goal in the next 3 or 4 months is actually to have the videos going all the way out and filling out 2020, knowing exactly what I'm going to do for the entire year, and that way I can really, the rest of the year, I could just really concentrate on making the videos as opposed to worrying about which videos I'm going to make, and oh my god, I don't have any ideas and I'm down to my last video. So anyway, that's what I have, and that's my office, and I guess I'll move on. The one thing I also wanted to show you guys, which I couldn't show you earlier because it was dark out, is when I showed you my desk, I didn't show you the view that I had out this window. So I'm going to show you that view. So you can see there's my chair, my desk, and the view. You could see, I'll zoom in, you can actually see the ocean from my desk, and I don't know, I think it's a beautiful view. Sometimes I get a little distracted and I got to pull myself back into my work, but I'm not going to give up that view for a little while. Anyway, talk to you later. Another beautiful day at the beach. Can't believe that we're in January and it's so nice out. I guess that lone surfer is waiting for a wave. Way back there, that's the Oceanside Pier, and this is what I found out yesterday. That's the longest pier on the west coast, so pretty cool that we have it right here in Oceanside.
You got the big surf yesterday?
What's that?
Were you down here yesterday?
No.
I heard the waves was huge yesterday.
Oh, were they? Yeah, So I also want to say that is a wrap. We are done with week 3 of Healthy Living in California, and I will continue to put these up every week as we explore the area. We're going to bounce around a little bit. Next week, hopefully, we'll be in San Diego, the city itself, and we'll bounce around a little bit and just show you around this area. It's a beautiful area and very healthy. A lot of people out there exercising. It's just a lot of fun. Because the weather is just phenomenal, and I'll show you all of that in weeks to come. If you like this video, please click on the thumbs up button, and also please subscribe and click on the notification button to get all this great content that's coming up every week. Thank you.